Hello everyone, and welcome to the Arcus Help channel. In today's video, we'll cover how to release a deployment run. To start, head over to Runs under the Compute section of the main menu, locate your deployment run, and click on the tile. On the deployment run page, click the Release button here. When you do, you'll see this ominous confirmation box, and to release your run, you will need to type out release-deployment-run-your run number to prevent any accidental releases. So once you've typed out the run name, click Release, and the deployment run will release its resources and deprovision its systems within a few minutes. During this process, the run will sport an orange releasing tag. When it's done releasing, the status bar here will be full, and the tile on the runs page will be grayed out and show no banner. If you have any questions or if you'd like to learn more, please follow the links in the upper right-hand corner of the video or in the video description down below. These will take you to our support page, our help site, and our YouTube channel. In the meantime, I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for using Arcus.